So Arsenal won. Yeah, won. Just one. Brighton, that haven't scored more than one goal in their last 7 games, won one goal in 7 games. They scored 2 today against a team that are apparently all playing for the manager, against a team that were 4th only a couple of weeks ago, against a team that apparently the defence has been fixed. Really? How comes we've conceded 1 goal less than Brighton then? 1 goal less than Brighton. Only 1. We've conceded 1 goal less than Brighton. Would you take Brighton's defenders over ours? No, you wouldn't, because you're top gooners and everyone's amazing. Mikel Arteta, super Mikel Arteta. He knows exactly what we need. Tierney at the back, Gabby in attack. We're on our way to Conference League because that's where we're finishing. We're going to end up Conference or Europa. Yeah, we ain't getting top 4. Chalk it off, people. Chalk it off. All the top gooners, the narrative is spinning. But listen, before we get into the rest of this fan cam, big up to all of you that watched the watch along. It was boring, the game, but the watch along went, because you lot make it sick every time. But all the top gooners, the narrative spin begins now. Oh, VAR. The next Muppet Twitter show is going to be peak. It is going to be peak. But yeah, here's what it is. The narrative is spin. After the Palace game, it was just a blip. And now it's what? VAR? What? We start playing in the 89th minute and all of a sudden it's VAR's fault. And what about the other 88 minutes plus the stoppage time? What about that then? Does that not count? That don't count? No? Cool. My doppelganger, big up to him. That's a manager that I'd take at this football club. Oh, but what do you want Graham Potter for? Oh, man. I'll tell you why. Did you see the state of the team he's got out there today? They have been pumped every single week for months. They've not, I don't even know the last time they won a game. It's been that long. Yeah, I think it was January, February, something like that. They've lost like 6-7 straight games, then drawn a game. Come to the Emirates, go and brush your shoulders off people. Yeah, Trossard, baller. What a finish. Where was Gibraltar guard for that, by the way? Oh, yeah, ball watching. Yeah, because that's a thing at Arsenal. You have to ball watch. If you ain't ball watching, mate, then you're not in the team. Granit Xhaka at left back. Well done, Super Mick Arteta. He knows exactly what we need. It's Granit Xhaka at left back for the rest of the season. Wow. Wowee. Danny Welbeck. Would you take Danny? Leave it in the comments section. Would you take Danny Welbeck right now over Lacazette? What does Lacazette do? What does he do? Apart from cry to referees and sit on the floor after time, what does he do? He just has that gumless look on his, oh, look at me, poor hard done by Lacazette. Oh, but he's got work rate. Let's give him $250 a week. Yeah, well done, mate. Yeah. Lee Gunner has broken Super Mick Arteta. The Lee Gunner doppelganger, twin, whatever you want to call it, has broken Mick Arteta. And I see a lot of people after the Palace game saying, oh, we're going to see the character of the team. We're going to see this. Oh, it's only a blip. Really? 10 losses this season in the league. 10. Last season, we lost 13. 13, yeah? 13. We've still got to play Manchester United. Oh, but they're rubbish. Oh, really? They're only 3 points behind us. And you know they're going to beat us at the Emirates. We've still got to play Chelsea. Oh, but we could be above Chelsea by the time we play them. Really? They just slapped Southampton 6-0. I guarantee we don't. We're still going to play Tottenham. Oh, but they're crap. Really? They're above us with a game on level games now. No games in hand anymore. They're above us. We've still got to play West Ham. Oh, but they're in Europa. Yeah, you know, shut up. That's 4 of the top 6 teams in the league positions right now. Yeah. We've still got to play all of them. We've still got 5 away games out of 8 games. Anyone who thinks we're finishing top 4, you are part of the problem. You are literally a massive issue at this football club. Because you people that sit there, oh, we can do, oh, it's VAR, oh, it's the refs, oh, it's this, oh, the temperature wasn't high enough, oh, the grass wasn't cut short enough. You lot are all part of the problem, because the Kroenke family are sitting there laughing their bollocks off at every single one of your tweets, every single one of your Facebook posts, every single one of the YouTube comments, every single one of the, and oh, but the Kroenkes ain't watching that. No, they ain't. They ain't watching that. Yeah, they ain't. But Arsenal social media team are, and that'll get filtered back up. Yeah, the fan narrative's fine, mate. Don't worry. Everyone's cool. Everyone's cool. Everyone's fine. The fan base. I just dropped the retro. Righty, come here, mate. Woohoo! Let's wheel Righty out again with some more retro merch. Scummy club. Absolute scumbag club. Yeah, and you will come round to my way of thinking eventually. Because what happens is, first off, somebody who's seen as controversial. I mean, what does that even mean? You're controversial. What? Because I want to win. Because I want to be the best. Maybe I suppose in 2022 that is controversial because I can identify as a lighter if I want to, or a can of Suave if I want to, or even an ashtray. I'm a poet. I fully know it. Yeah, I am absolutely sick to death of this club just being in the mud. I'm sick of it. Yeah, get rid of this manager right now. Sack him. He ain't good enough. Go and get someone who is. Yeah, give it to anybody right now. Give it to AirPod Albert. That guy is better than Arteta. Yeah, come on. At the end of the day, people are sitting there and say, oh, well, why are you moaning? Why are you moaning? I'm moaning because people are sitting there going, oh, well, we never expected to get top 4 at the start of the season. Okay, cool. You didn't expect to get top 4. I said it all summer. Go and check the videos. I said we should be getting top 4 this year, but this manager ain't good enough to do it. We then get into a position where we're 4th with 2 games in hand. And this fan base are sitting there going, we got top 4, Champions League. They even made up a song about it. Now imagine that we've been in the Champions League for 20 years. We got to 1 final. We smash a stadium down to go and get to more Champions Leagues, to get to more finals, yeah? And we don't. But then we get knocked out of the top 4 race and end up 5th and 6th and 8th, right? So now we're going to make up a song about getting back into Champions League. And lo and behold, what does the Banter Club do? Hold my beer. You ain't getting Champions League. Absolute shambles. It is a shambles. I have seen so many people this season flippity flop, flippity flop, flippity flop. Javiana's Brazil FC. Yeah. What's the narrative? Oh, well, we never thought we'd get top 4. Really? You've been screaming it from the rooftops, you absolute wasters, for weeks. Oh, yeah, you're in the mud. You're in the mud. You're in the mud. Yeah, the only fucking person in the mud is all of you losers that are sitting there gassing up finishing 4th, and now we're 5th. Yeah, embarrassing. Absolutely embarrassing. I'm sick to death of this fucking football club lowering the standards and loads and millions of people accepting it. Yeah, accepting it. Lacazette. That guy should not be at this football club. We got rid of Aubameyang, by the way. Anyone missing him? This is a guy that's sourcing out of Barcelona. Here you go. We'll rip your contract up because you're a problem. You've got an attitude. Here you go, Barcelona. Have one of the best strikers on the planet. Yeah, have him. You can have him for free. We'll even pay for his jet. Yeah? Are we missing him now? Smith Rowe. Oh, he's so good. Yeah, he is talented. Now, what did he do today? What did he do against Palace? Oh, Bukayo Saka, star boy. Really? I didn't see no Stardust today. Do you know what I see? Shit. Because he was fucking awful. Yeah, all of them were awful. Every single player on that pitch today was a disgrace. A disgrace. Absolutely disgusting performance. But you know what? I told you all. 25th of November 2019. Search it. Lee Gunner, Arteta out. I told you I ain't backing him. I won't back him. And he'll send us back 5 years. Go and watch the video. What do I know? I'm negative. I'm controversial. No, what's controversial is me actually saying the truth while you lot are all fucking lying to yourselves. I'm sick to death of it. Absolutely sick of it. How can you get beaten and played off the park by a team that have scored 1 goal in 7 games? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And what's more unbelievable is the narrative being pushed out of, oh, well, he's fixed the defence. Really? We're going to lose more games than we did last season. We're going to concede more goals than last season. How the hell is that fixed? Tell me, how's it fixed? Oh, we've had more clean sheets. Yeah, guess what? There is no clean sheets in your household. You're all fucking stuck to them, you melts. Disgusting. Anyway, F this. Make sure you check out Kenny Ken's fan cam. Stick a like on this video. Share this everywhere. Yeah, the more people that actually raise the standards of this football club, the quicker we get back to where we should be, which is why we smashed the stadium down in the first place. Yeah, disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. And one more thing before I go. You see all of these top gooners, yeah? Fire drill again today, by the way. 80 minutes to all walking out. We've got Super Mick Arteta, but you're not backing him. Your manager. Remember that, yeah? Arteta out. Laters.